Most men confuse power for noise. They think it's about the money, the freaking status, or arms the size of egos. But here's the truth. Real power doesn't even need to announce itself, because it just walks in and makes the room obey it. You've seen it before. There's that individual, that man, silent, calm, the one whom everyone starts acting differently around. He didn't say a word, and yet he owned the atmosphere. So pay attention, because that's the kind of man you're about to become in these 7 steps. Not loud, but lethal. Number 1, blink like you own time. Weak men blink fast and they flinch, you see. Their brains scream, please accept me. But the opposite is true. Strong men blink slow, like lions, bored of the chaos and ready to hunt fierce. Be that alpha lion. The next time stress hits, slow your eyes. Let the silence rattle the public and not you. Stillness is a signal, but panic is a rubbish broadcast. Number 2, plant your weight like stone. Ever seen a guy walking with such a weak posture? Like his spine is made of debt? Well, that's how most move today in this dead-end average world. They're twitchy, light and forgettable. But you? No. You should move with gravity. Every step should be deliberate. Every pause, anchored. Stand like you're not leaving, but walk like you've already won. Number 3, scan before you speak. Weak men rush in, grinning and eager to be liked. But you are no longer average. You will walk in and observe. Give it 3 seconds. Sweep the freaking room with your eyes and let them feel your awareness. That gaze makes people straighten up, because when you evaluate first, they will be the ones performing for you. Number 4, stillness means violence. Fidgeting equals weakness. You're leaking insecurity without even knowing it. But powerful men do the opposite. They freeze. When challenged, they do not blink. They do not twitch nor shuffle, and you will feel their presence. That quiet tension that makes the other guy unravel. You see, stillness is freaking dominance without ever speaking. Number 5, weaponize the pause. You don't answer instantly. You let silence sit, let it itch in their chest, then speak, because every word drips with intent. Fast talkers beg to be believed. Slow talkers own the moment. Number 6, exit like a king. You don't cling to conversation, you end it. Glance away, nod slightly, turn away, and you're done. Let them chase that feeling of being around you. Leaders, don't ask to leave. Number 7, the cold glance back. This is the final burn. You leave, then stop. Look back once. No smile, no softness. Just a cold look that says, remember me. They won't forget you, even if they don't know why.